Hi y'all, I'm back again with another video. I've been doing these IG candle polls on IG, of course, but here we go. The first two is Twisted Peppermint versus Crushed Candy Cane. For me, Twisted Peppermint all day. I just love that vanilla and that peppermint note in it, so I just absolutely love it. So that's my pick. But on IG, everybody love Crushed Candy Cane. I haven't had any luck with Crushed Candy Cane. The last one I had smelled like kerosene, but I'm just saying I never bought it after that. So the next two is Treeform versus Fresh Balsam. I love both of these candles. Super good, but I gotta go with Treeform all day. I absolutely love Treeform. The apple note, and that pine note, love it. And as you do see, Treeform won on IG as well. Everybody love Treeform. The next two is Mary Cookie and Peppermint Sugar Cookie. Peppermint Sugar Cookie was love at first sight. When I first got it, I instantly fell in love with it. So it's Peppermint Sugar Cookie all day, every day. And as you see, IG love it just like I do. It's amazing. It smells like Girl Scout thin mint cookies. It is so good. It throws amazing. It's a winner. The next two is Smoked Vanilla Whiskey versus Sweet Whiskey. Now, y'all already know I love smoky scents. I love those whiskey scents. So it's smoked vanilla for me all day, every day. But on IG, they felt different. I'm just saying. On IG, they love sweet whiskey. I have no problem with sweet whiskey. I do love sweet whiskey. I just like smoked whiskey a little bit better. I'm just saying. I just do. The next two is Poppy versus Fall in Bloom. Now, I couldn't pick because I like both of them. Both of these scents is amazing. I really like it, and I'm happy to have both of these candles in my collection. IG picked Poppy. We love Poppy. Packaging is cute on both of these candles, so it was super hard for me. I couldn't pick. I'm just saying, I couldn't pick. The next two is Champagne Toast versus Bubbly Rosé. I like both of these candles. I just don't buy these candles anymore. Bubbly Rosé never really struck me as gotta have in my collection. I was kind of one and done with it, even though it comes back all the time. But as you see, everybody love it on IG. But it's a pass for me, even though I like it, but I don't have to have it. The next two is The Perfect Christmas versus 'Tis the Season. I love A Perfect Christmas. Love it, and gonna buy it again this year. That's my pick. Everybody else picked it. Everybody loved The Perfect Christmas. Leave in the comments. Let me know, what did you pick on this poll? What is your favorite? Leave that down in the comment. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Hit the notification. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.